Have you ever tried to make a variable in C that you just want to keep unchanged? It can be a bit tricky, right? If you're looking to declare constants in C, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to specify variables to be final in C. I totally get it. You might be thinking, why can't I just use a final keyword like in other languages? You're not alone in this frustration. Many C programmers face this challenge when dealing with complex data structures. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, how do I make a struct non-editable in C? They mentioned wanting to initialize a struct just once and then prevent any changes. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what can we do about this? In C, we don't have a built-in final keyword like in object-oriented languages. However, we can use some clever workarounds to achieve similar functionality. Let's break it down. And stick around. I've got a neat trick at the end that will help you manage your data structures more effectively. To specify variables as non-editable in C, the user can utilize the concept of encapsulation through the use of pointers and functions. This allows for controlled access to the data. Next, the user should define the struct and create a function to initialize it. This function will return a pointer to the struct, ensuring that the user cannot modify its contents directly. After creating the struct and initialization function, the user should provide a function to access the data. This function will return the values without allowing modifications. Finally, the user can demonstrate the usage of this pattern. They should create a person instance and attempt to access its data using the provided functions. Fun fact, did you know that C was developed in the early 1970s? It's amazing how this language has stood the test of time, even without some modern features. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use the const keyword in C. This allows you to declare variables that cannot be modified after their initial assignment, effectively making them constant. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. This user suggests using the const keyword in C to specify variables as non-modifiable. By declaring an object with const, the compiler enforces that it cannot be changed. Additionally, they explain that const can also be applied to pointers, indicating that the pointer itself is constant, while the data it points to may still be modifiable. Here's the trick I promised. Always use const with your pointers and encapsulate your data. This will save you from accidental changes and keep your code clean. And there you have it. You now know how to specify variables to be final in C. Remember, using const and encapsulation can make a big difference. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more programming tips and don't miss our next video.